and the color that I use is in Island Tings. Tings are gone with this bronzer. I love using it. They desperately need to be done. I think I'm gonna have to learn myself to pluck down the middle because I usually wax and thread them, but right now with this corona we ain't going nowhere. We self-isolating, baby. When this first came out, I was literally wearing it everywhere because I was like, listen, I want my red lip to pop. This lipstick is hella bright, guys. Like, I'm just like, wow. But I think it's a nice way to kind of make the look a little bit sexy, you know? But yeah, guys, what do you think about the final look? So you can grab one. I don't know right now because there's not really much to grab. If you can grab one, I would. Welcome back to my channel. So today is all about a Fenty Beauty look. Yes, I have been testing out the Fenty Beauty Snapshot and I'm going to show you how I created this look using 90% of Fenty Beauty products. But if you are brand new to my channel, why not hit the subscribe button? I do videos on makeup, skincare and unboxings. Like, what are you waiting for? I thought you wanted to find out how I created this look. Oh, you've already subscribed? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is I prime my skin. I'm using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I absolutely love this. This is literally one of my favorite products at the moment. I just love using it because I really feel like it enables the makeup to stay on the face better, and I just love the way it feels on my skin. I know some people have said that it's a little bit tacky on the skin, but I really feel like that tackiness helps the makeup stay. To be honest, I don't know where my Fenty Beauty primer is, so that is why I'm using the Milk Makeup one, and actually I use that every day. I have just outlined my eyebrows. If you've watched some of my beauty videos, then you will know that I do my eyebrows twice. I outline my eyebrows and then I go in again after. So I'm just going to take the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Concealer in 370 and I'm just going to use that to outline my eyebrows. And as always, just going to blend that in with a blending sponge. There are darker areas of my face and I just lighten them up with the matchstick in caramel, so I'm just going to use this for my under eye area and just where I have dark marks on the side of my face, my upper lip. I'm getting a spot right here, so I'm just going to place it there and just on my nose. My nose is actually quite light. That is the only area on my face that tends to oil up a little bit, so that's why I put it there, just for extra coverage. So I am looking hella crazy but this is the steps that I use and I feel like it gives me a flawless cover. I'm then just going to take the Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear foundation. My color is in 385 and I'm just going to place that on the back of my hand and then blend into my face with a foundation brush. Okay, so I've done my foundation. I'm just going to prime my eyes with the Morphe eyelid primer. I always find it super beneficial to prime my eyes, but we're not going to take that much, just a little bit, because a little goes a long way with this primer. And again, just blending in with my blending sponge. Okay, so the eyeshadow that I'm going to be testing out for you guys is number 1. This is the True Neutrals eyeshadow palette and it is a range of neutral colours. As you can see, you have some nude, some dark browns and peachy tones. So I'm just going to go in with this dark brown tone and have that as a base colour. So that was Affogato, and the next one I'm going in with is Tequila Night, and that is a bronzy shimmery shade, which I'm just going to place on top of my eyelid. So yeah, I feel like this is a little bit golden, a little bit of a golden siesta. I do want to brighten that up a little bit, so I'm going to use velvet cuffs, and I'm just going to place that just gently on top of the Tequila Night just to make it a little bit more lighter. And then for my lash line, just going in with a peachy pink colour, which is Simmer Down. And I feel like Simmer Down really just kind of complemented the look and made it look a little bit softer. Just to tie that all in together, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. It has a flat side and a full side, which ensures when you're using the mascara so that you're getting every angle. So I like to start with the flat side first, brushing out the lashes, and then going in with the full side, add volume. Okay, so I've just finished using that mascara. I absolutely love it. I think I've said this before in another video or maybe on Instagram. I really love this mascara. The only thing is you need to take your time with this mascara, so there's no fast pace with this mascara. It literally gives my lashes that lift, but I do have to take my time. I spend like about 10 minutes applying this mascara, which is why I just basically sped up that section, because there's no point like you see me apply the mascara. But I would say it's really good if you have time to apply it. If you don't, then maybe use a different mascara if you're in a rush, but I absolutely love that. Following in with the neutral tones, I'm taking the Killawatt Freestyle highlighter in Ginger, Binge and Moscow Mule. I probably use this all the time for blush. I kind of just mix the two together, put on the bowl of my cheekbones, and then just put it up a little bit. I'm also going to use a little bit of Trophy Wife, because I think I'm not the first one to say a little goes a long way. So I literally just put a dash and I'm just sprinkling it on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose. I was gifted their matchstick in darker colours, but I actually prefer contouring with these. This is the Stalk'r. It's an instant warm bronzer, and the colour that I use is in Island Tings. Tings are gone with this bronzer. I love using it. I prefer using a powder contour rather than a cream one. I just find it a lot more easier, so I love using that. I'm then going to take the Fenty Beauty Brow MVP. This is in black brown, and what I like to do is, because I do my eyebrows twice as mentioned, I just go in again, just defining them a little bit and just stroking up and creating more hairs. I just like that extra definition, and just to get into the places where I missed the first time I did my eyebrows. They desperately need to be done. I think I'm gonna have to learn myself to pluck down the middle, because I usually wax and thread them, but right now with this corona we ain't going nowhere. We self-isolating, baby. Okay, now for the final step, the lips. I'm using the Locked Up Super Precise Lip Liner in Hot Damn by Sleek Makeup, but I do love their Locked Up liners. I think they're probably the best. They are definitely a dupe for matte liners, so you can grab one. I don't know right now because there's not really much to grab. If you can grab one, I would. I am taking the Stunna lip paint in Uncensored, and I feel like this lip paint is only for the bold. This lipstick is hella bright, guys. Like, I'm just like, wow. But I think it's a nice way to kind of make the look a little bit sexy, you know? And when this first came out, I was literally wearing it everywhere, because I was like, listen, I want my red lip to pop. But yeah, guys, what do you think about the final look? I am loving this palette. I feel like it is great for an everyday look. It's got literally a light neutral tone and a dark neutral tone to suit any skin type, any skin color. So I think this will suit across all types of people, and I really like how pigmented the palettes are. But yeah, guys, that's all. If you like this look, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone could benefit from this look, I'd be happy to share this look. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. I'll also leave the links down below where you can purchase these products from. But I guess I'll see you in another video, and remember to always stay what, guys? Bougie.